Actually cooking something over here for once. Then we're gonna combine the two. Then I'm gonna put it there. Mix everything together. It's gonna be a blast. Okay, now it's ready. Let's close it so it's not losing the warmth. Just need to clean this shit. And then we'll be ready to eat. And I have Tisby Yuri. Yeah, so tasty. That's how it should look. Oh my god, is it so good? Was it worth it? Fuck it, absolutely. Oh my goodness, it was absolutely worth it. It turned out to be so good.
Look here! Look, listen! Love cheese, da-dun. We love cheese, da-dun. Yes, we do. Sing with me.
Bye.